Is a major victory for a grieving family and an entire community. A new law passed in the legislative session and signed by Governor Abbott.
The legislation, named after Lisa Torry Smith, says that drivers can now face charges for hitting and killing or injuring anybody who's using a crosswalk. KPRC2's Jacob Rascone live in Richmond tonight, where the Fort Bend District Attorney and lawmakers spoke about this law that goes into effect in September. Jacob?
This is one of those rare cases, Dominique, when a tragedy for a family and a community actually translates into a new Texas law, a bipartisan effort that took about 4 years. Not many days after Lisa's death, when her family learned it wasn't a crime to drive into someone in a crosswalk, they decided the law needed to change.
We feel this so deeply.
It was never guaranteed the Lisa Torry Smith Act would become law, but the family, lawmakers from both parties, and the new Fort Bend County District Attorney and Sheriff refused to give up.
And I think that's what happened in Austin, is that all the legislators who heard the testimony were touched.
Even after its passage, there was a chance Governor Abbott wouldn't sign it. So Lisa Smith's two boys, including Logan, who was critically injured in the incident, wrote the governor a letter.
In the ending, he said, so please, I want to ask you to please sign Lisa's law and to help all Texans.
Lisa, the 4'9" proud mother of two, loved to take Logan to kindergarten. It was only his second week. This photo was taken the day before she died. Her sons are now 9 and 6. Proud and hopeful, like the rest of the family, that the new Texas law in their mother's name will save lives.
We worked really hard on this, and it was the right thing to do.
So this is a change for all Texans. It is now illegal to hit someone specifically in a crosswalk and injure that person. It can carry fines and prison time for serious injury, up to 2 years in prison. And a final note that the family is convinced that that letter from Logan truly helped make the final difference. Live in Fort Bend County, I'm Jacob Rascone, KPRC 2 News.